So many people down here this morning telling me they just want to get off the treadmill, but to what? What happens next? Come and meet some of our guests this morning. Good morning to you, Lee, Jazz, David and David. What happens next? You guys voted Remain. Let's start with you, Lee. What should happen?
I think democracy means we can't have another referendum, so the natural conclusion is a general election. And then where we go from there, I don't know, because nobody's stepping up to the plate and providing some strong leadership.
We just want the plan B.
Plan something,
Plan
yeah.
Something. Yeah. Jazz, you disagree?
Well, I can see where he's coming from, but yeah, I think there is room for another referendum, because the shambles that this 2.5 years has provided the nation, a complete impasse in Parliament. You know, in terms of where we go next, yeah, bring it back to the people. You know, we have the decision around, do we leave, do we stay? But at that point in time, no one can realistically say they knew what that would look like 2.5 years on. It's a complete mess. And really, the only option now, because May's deal's dead, is Remain or no deal. And no deal would be a disaster.
Okay. You guys disagree fundamentally with that, don't you?
Yes.
Why?
We've had the democratic process has been discussed. Leave means leave. Mrs. May has said this, everybody agrees. We should leave. Whether we have a deal or no deal is irrelevant at this point. We're wasting more time this evening by having a vote of no confidence. My granddaughter Kira needs to know what her future is, and so we must leave. That's what we voted for. There is no other option.
It's really sweet. You promised Kira, didn't you?
I did.
Name it.
I
He's delivered. Hi, Kira. David, you want no deal, and you gave me a lovely Yorkshire phrase before.
I think we're going to get no deal, and as we say in Yorkshire, it'll be right. But rather than complacent, I think if we move to no deal, we're then in a place we can progress from. We can't progress from here. We have to go to a place we can build on, and that is no deal, and then start the negotiations with the EU to have the deal that we all want at the end of it.
You're saying it'll be rigged because you don't think it would be...
I don't think it's going to be... I don't think it's going to be... I think it's manageable, and I think it's temporary, and that's the important thing.
You can't manage a no deal. You can't manage a no deal, and you're asking us to go backwards in order to progress. That's crackers.
But I think
no consensus here. No consensus in Westminster. The killer shot of the morning has to be this. If anything represents Brexit, it is this. That's it from us here at Leeds. Now over to the news, the travel and the weather, wherever you are waking up this morning.